Welcome to Animal a Day and Week. 10 Nightingale Facts. Phantom of the Tree Opera. 1. Nightingales are two species of passerines in the Old World Flycatcher family. Until recently, they were considered to be part of the thrush family. 2. Thrush nightingales live in Eastern Europe, Russia, and Kazakhstan during summer, and migrate south to parts of Africa during winter. 3. Common nightingales have a similar range, but are found more towards Western Europe during the summer, and near the Equator in Africa during winter. 4. Other birds are sometimes called nightingales, like the red-billed leothrix and some mockingbirds, but are part of different families. 5. These small birds are only around 6.5 inches or 16 centimeters in length, with females being a little shorter. The genders have no other form of dimorphism besides this. 6. The nightingale's most famous trait is their incredible singing ability. They are one of the best singers in nature, able to sing many complex tunes in hundreds of ways. 7. Only male nightingales sing, and it's to impress females. They even sing at night, which their name gives away, though only males still looking for a partner during mating season usually do this. 8. You will definitely hear them, but probably won't see them. They spend most of their time hiding in trees or bushes. You could call them a phantom of the opera. 9. So many people have taken inspiration from them. Lots of places on Earth are named after them, as well as movies, books, poems, and songs. Beethoven, Shakespeare, and Aristotle are just some of the legions of people that have been inspired by them. And 10. The term nightingale is very old, over 1400 years old in fact. It originated from Old English and probably refers to the way some will sing at night. Thanks for watching. Now take that subscribe button to the zoo.